Warm welcome and hook. Welcome back to Strike Victor, your command center for the skies. Today, we fly over the rugged Andes and the vibrant skies of Colombia, where modernization meets legacy and courage flies on wings of steel. This isn't just about jets. It's about sovereignty, pride, and an air force refusing to be left behind. Scene 1, National Emotion and Introduction. In a world of 5th-gen stealth and precision strikes, Colombia's IAI Kfir C10 may seem like a relic. But look deeper, because what you'll see is an aging warrior, retrofitted with the eyes of a hawk, teeth of a lion, and the fire of a guardian. The Colombian Air Force didn't just upgrade, it transformed. Avionics born from Israeli brilliance, radar that can track multiple targets, and missiles that can tear through the silence of the sky. This is not the Kfir of the past. Scene 2, Exterior and Power Display. With its sharp delta wings and bold silhouette, the Kfir C10 is intimidating, fast, and precise. Roaring at Mach 2, this beast climbs with aggression and attacks with surgical precision. It carries the Python 5, a missile so deadly it can see behind itself. And the Barak 8 is a shield tracking enemy threats before they even come close. Scene 3, Interior and Technology. Inside that cockpit lies a digital revolution. Helmet-mounted sights, hands-on throttle and stick, and a head-up display that paints the battlefield in real time. The pilot? Not just a flyer, but a combat strategist. Scene 4, Performance and Message. This is Colombia's Sky Shield, a signal to narco-terrorists, insurgents, and external threats alike, that while others may forget South America's strength, Colombia remembers. Their Kfirs have intercepted, escorted, and deterred. And in 2026 they remain ready not because they are the most modern, but because they are battle-hardened, trusted, and lethal. Scene 5, Outro and Emotional End. So the next time you hear the thunder over Bogota or see the trail of fire across the Amazonian clouds, know this, that's not just an old fighter. That is Colombia's airborne promise. Unyielding, unafraid, unforgettable. Thanks for watching Strike Victor. If this stirred your spirit, hit that subscribe button and fly with us again. Until next time, stay sharp, stay skybound.